Here we have a 2018 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle does come with over £5,300 worth of optional extras. We have 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue Interpol brake calipers just behind. We have your LED headlights with your black front kiddie grills, full M Sport styling kit, so you get a black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also a rear diffuser. We have your black window trim with your privacy glass on the rear, continuing the black out styling. We have your front and rear parking sensor with visual display, dual exit exhaust flush of the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now this vehicle is free from any major mark dents or scratches and rear does look superb from every angle. You have your eDrive badging on the back above the fuel cap. Now if you notice when I was over on this side, you do have the electrical hookup just there on the front left hand side wing. Now if I go to the rear of the car, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Just need to unlock it first. As you can see, we do have the full leather seats throughout. You can see the ambient lighting poking through. We have the white accents in the seats, ISOFIX points and armrest, pull down armrest and storage panel passenger and the driver's seat. BMW individual trim with your large speaker, which is the Harman Kardon premium sound system, ambient lighting there as well. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated electric and have the extended thigh support. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, again BMW individual trim, ambient lighting, integrated Harman Kardon loudspeaker, auto lights just down there. Foot on the brake, you have keyless start from a touch of a button. Being a hybrid, that is now on, so you won't hear anything until the engine kicks in. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, and as you can see, this vehicle has done just over 41,100 miles. It is free from any more lights on the dashboard. We have your screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. We have your media connectivity via DAB radio. You also have your music collection, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. And you also have your Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Going to home, you have all these different settings just there as well. Pop it into reverse, front and rear parking sensor with visual display. And you do get your different drive modes. So you do get your Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport with individual. Dual zone climate control just down here with 2 heated front seats. Very nice features to have. Ice cold aircon. Again, the BMW individual trim. Pop this open, you have your USB, big storage tray, the ambient lighting, 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity. This is what you use to control everything happens on your screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. Electric park with auto hold, different drive modes, eDrive settings, soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath, and there's a look at the passenger's front seat with the extended thigh support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today, free contact nationwide next day delivery. HPI clear comes a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for video test drive of this BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle does come with over £5,300 worth of optional extras included. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not at 5 steering wheel to keep it in a straight line going straight into, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. And the message that popped up is just for the low fuel, so there's nothing to worry about. We have a multifunction steering wheel paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. You also have your cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the steering wheel. We have the digital dash in front of you, which changes when you go through the different drive modes. We have your screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. You also have your front and rear parking sensors with visual display. We have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers that do sound absolutely incredible. We have the very comfortable full leather electric memory front seats, which are also heated and have the extended thigh support, so very comfortable. You can quite easily do 200, 300, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We have the ambient lighting all around with the BMW individual trim, making the interior of this vehicle a very nice environment to be in, matched with the gloss black trim. We have your screen in the centre, which is touchscreen, which you can also control from the dial down here. We have shortcuts for the map and other features there as well. Different drive modes, so you have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport with your individual, which you can set up to whatever you would like. You have your dual zone climate control, ice cold aircon there as well. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you've been listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs, and if you're listening out during this test drive video so far, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 500 5-star reviews on Google Autotrader car reviews. Now, if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact how good they are to buy from and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now, I've got up to industrial state after the temporary traffic lights. I'm going to perform a mid stop, pop it straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the front and rear parking sensors. Now I'm going to cut off the test drive for now while I wait for the temporary traffic lights, as they do take quite a while. Then I'll resume it again when I start to drive off. Starting to drive off again now, and I'll turn a right-hand turn in a second to do the emergency stop. So indicating to pull in, and hopefully there is no cars blocking my pathway. I'm pulling in just now. So I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see front and rear parking sensors on the screen in the centre. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video. Been a test drive here to hear from you soon. Cheers.